students, Logan Phillips, Professor P here. We are now getting into Module 3. We're going to get into the meat of the class. You've done 2 modules before this, including your beginning here materials, so you really should have a grasp on how things are functioning, order of operation, what you're supposed to do, and understand the pacing schedule, you understand deadlines. Missed a deadline or two, lots of points available in this class. You missed a deadline, just make it up going forward. But at this point in the class, it is really time to start getting curious about your learning. You are free to work forward all the way up until Module 8. You can't do the capstone module, your final exam, last week of class. But everything in the course has been available to you now going. Oh, you're going to be missing, if you know you're sick, if you have to take time off, do the next module in order and work ahead, plan ahead, be the adults that you are. Now, for this module, we're going to be talking about Module 3. Now, this is optimizing organizational resources. We're going to be talking about structures, technology, and specifically, we're going to be talking about optimizing organizational structures. It's going to focus on the intersection of ethics, security, and data management in the field of technology. As businesses are increasingly relying on our IT systems, understanding these topics is really essential for resources effectively while addressing the ethical security concerns. So for this class, we are business data, technology. We're at the intersecting of collection of data. We're at the intersection of the ethical use of the data and the technology that bridges that between. So we're going to be talking about ethics, talking about technologies, we're going to be talking about live application, how to actually apply the technologies, and how it impacts you in life. So the format of this is always going to be the same. Learn in Module 1 and 2, about 6.5 hours to complete the module, worth 107 points. You do your quiz, your lecture, your textbook, your case study, Power BI. Now, for this module, we're going to be talking about the ethical dilemmas, security risk, and data management principles, critical IT and data analytics. And by the end of the module, hopefully you'll understand the ethical and security issues surrounding IT practices. You're going to gain some foundational knowledge of data management and value of data in order to data decision making. We're going to explore how relational databases improve efficiency and accuracy environments. So, Chapter 5, we're going to talk about ethical security issues. Chapter 6, data values and database management. Now, your grading is standard grading, A through F. How that looks, going to the announcement. Your lecture series, there are going to be several videos available. We're going to talk about the future of technology. Now, the future of technology is that same 3-part lecture series. We talked about history of technology, modern technology, and now this is where. The reason I have these 3 videos to show you what the stage of that evolution, position yourself for years, see how the data, the business intelligence stuff interact and interfere with technology we're using, where we're going. You're going to look at data ethics. You're going to learn how to use data ethically in decision making and data management, using the principles, techniques of data effectively. I've also given you a couple supplemental videos, which is understanding IT ethics, introduction to. Watch those on the lecture series, Blackboard website. Now, make sure that you understand the pacing schedule. Why it seems like assignments are due every week or every other week, depending on the class. They are not. They are set to a very specific schedule that is available on your schedule. Top links on your Blackboard website. You should be following the pacing schedule, even if a Blackboard or a McGraw-Hill or anywhere else says something different. Deadlines for the entire module are according to your pacing schedule only. Pacing schedule is your master document. Check your pacing schedule for when your assignments are coming. And remember that all assignments are always due on Fridays at 5 p.m. You have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 7 days to complete any module, modules 2 through 8, and the capstone module. Now, you need to use this module to build some critical foundation for the future modules. Make sure you're paying attention. You understand how ethics, security, and data management affects an IT. So all this data, information and data I'm giving you now is foundation. It will build up to more application and more theoretical as we progress in the. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Remember that last piece, Simba or your ebook, is the mundane piece. That is the repetition, put in chunks. You don't have to sit down and do your ebook all in one setting. It's meant to be repetitious and root memorization knowledge. Chunk it up, do a little here, 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 here. Good. Otherwise, if you need me, reach out by email, logan.phillips1. I'm available Monday through Thursday. I don't work weekends, and I don't work nights, and I don't work holidays. So if you respond on weekends, nights, or holidays, we'll get a response back on 2 business days. I work through all. Guys, enjoy Module 3. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Otherwise, jump in, start doing it. Bye, guys.